Welcome back to the internet web. Someone captured this amazing view of nature being covered by snow. Imagine waking up to this amazing view. 2 rocks and a slingshot is all it took to destroy that branch. This is what it looks like when you zoom in into a log. This is what an ongoing hurricane looks like from outer space. This person explained the Pythagoras theorem using liquid fluid. Have you ever seen a pink-necked green pigeon before? Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for future videos.